I gave the hardest video prompts to Pippit's brand new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, I could think of. And everything you're about to see, completely AI made. No camera, no crew, no studio, real rain-soaking fabric under neon city lights, a full-speed sword fight with believable motion, a 3-scene short film with the same character staying consistent in every shot. After a full week of testing, one result completely caught me off guard. One of these 5 tests was so unexpected I almost didn't include it in this video. Stay to the end. You'll see exactly which one and why it matters. But before we get there, here's what most creators aren't talking about. There's a right way and a wrong way to use AI-generated video on YouTube. Use it wrong and your reach quietly drops. I'll show you what this model can actually do, where it falls short, and how to use it in a way that actually works. When you land on the dashboard, the first thing you see is the prompt box, where you simply write your idea. You can also upload reference images or videos to guide the result and keep the style more controlled. There are different models available for different needs, but our entire focus today is Dreamina Seedance 2.0. The fast model is great when you want quick results, while Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is built for realistic visuals, better motion, and stronger consistency. You can generate videos of up to 15 seconds and choose any resolution depending on where you want to post, whether that's YouTube widescreen or social media vertical format. Worth knowing, this model generates completely original content from your prompt, not remixed clips, not copyrighted footage. On YouTube right now, that distinction matters. We're starting with the hardest test first, because if it can't pass this, nothing else matters. Skin, fabric, smoke, water. Your brain rejects these the moment they look wrong. And most tools fail here within seconds. The fabric is not a flat layer. It clings differently across the body, catching light at every fold. The skin has real depth and visible pores. The steam isn't floating, it's rising naturally, catching light, reacting to the environment around it. This looks filmed, but one good result could be luck, so I completely switched the environment. Different materials, different physics, different lighting, same quality. The realism is baked into the model itself, not tuned for just one type of scene. Drop a comment. What would you test this with first? Realism passed, but a perfect still frame means absolutely nothing the moment something moves, and movement is exactly where every AI video tool I've tested has broken down. That's what's coming next, and the results were not what I expected. Limbs stretch, backgrounds warp, clothing phases through itself. You've seen it, so I needed something with high-speed, full-body movement where any flaw would be impossible to miss. Clean, limbs consistent throughout, no distortions, no glitching, but one style of motion isn't enough, so I pushed harder. Speed held, impacts felt real. I'll be straight with you, it's not perfect. Longer clips show slight background jitter, and fast hand movements can still smear if you slow it down. But the gap between where AI motion was 6 months ago and where it is right now with this model? Significant. Subscribe, because what comes next is honestly where Dreamina Seedance 2.0 separates itself from everything else I've tested. Motion passed. But here's the thing. Motion isn't actually the hardest challenge in AI video. Camera control is. And this is the test where I ran the same prompt through multiple tools side by side. Only one came back with the right answer. Most AI tools can't even handle a basic pan without the scene falling apart, so I didn't give it a basic pan. I asked for 5 distinct sequential camera movements in a single generation. Every movement, right order, clean transitions. I tested this directly with Sora 2 and Kling. Neither pulled it off at this level. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is the first that actually did. In traditional production, that sequence needs a drone operator, a full crew, and multiple takes. Here you write a paragraph and it comes back finished. Camera control passed, and that result genuinely impressed me. But camera control is still not the hardest thing to get right in video. Storytelling is. Keeping the same character's face, outfit, and details consistent across multiple separate cuts. That's where every single AI tool I've tested has eventually broken down, until now. And this is the test I almost didn't include. Here's the test I teased at the start, the one that caught me off guard. If a character's face changes between scene 1 and scene 2, your story is broken. The viewer stops believing. There's no fix in post. So I gave Dreamina Seedance 2.0 a 3-scene sequence with the exact same character in every shot. Same face, same outfit, same details in every single cut. Lighting shifted naturally with the emotional arc of each scene. This did not feel like 3 separate generations stitched together. It felt like a complete story. That's why I almost didn't include it, because I watched it back 3 times before I believed the result was real. Storytelling passed. One final test left, and this one has a direct impact on anyone making content for brands, products, or clients. Commercial is a completely different visual language from narrative storytelling. Tight product shots, precise lighting, every frame needs to look intentional. If AI can't nail that, it's useless for brand creators. Both came back looking finished. Not AI footage that could pass as an ad, actually finished commercial content. For brand creators, this changes everything. Idea to finished creative, one platform without touching a camera. So what are you waiting for? If you're serious about creating high-quality AI videos, this is the perfect time to try it. Just click the link in the description and sign up for Pippit. Right now, you get 120 free credits every day for a limited time, so you can start testing your own cinematic ideas without spending anything. Create faster, stay consistent, and bring your ideas to life with Dreamina Seedance 2.0. And if you're a creator or gamer, don't miss my full Shibata chair review on screen right now. The one with auto lumbar tracking, massage, heat, and seat ventilation.